can I use seafoam in my Weedeater? Weedeater and other brands of string trimmer engines, like all types of gas-powered engines, need routine maintenance to function their best. Seafoam is a motor additive that is compatible with virtually every type of gas-powered engine, including lawn mowers, trucks and string trimmers. It functions to clean, build up and restore the function of all the parts of the engine system. Seafoam applications. Seafoam spray and liquid applications are safe to use with all types of common engines, including those in agricultural equipment such as string trimmers. Seafoam can also be used in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats and many other engines. The reason it is safe for all engines is because it contains pure petroleum oils and no additional chemicals. It incorporates the same kind of chemistry as the fuels and oils your string trimmer already uses. Benefits. Seafoam motor treatment is made to clean, improve and maintain the quality of your engine. Its main purpose is to remove varnish deposits that cause carbon buildup in your fuel system. This maintains a high level of function and efficiency. Additionally, seafoam cleans out and de-ices the fuel system and controls moisture levels. It also lubricates the cylinders and loosens sticky valves and rings. The product makes your string trimmer engine last longer. Use. When applying seafoam, always follow instructions based on the type of engine you are working with. Many string trimmers incorporate a 2-cycle engine. For 2-cycle engines, add 2 ounces of seafoam to each gallon of gas and oil mix. This will stabilize the fuel for up to 2 years. Use the same ratio for controlling moisture buildup and cleaning the carburetor bowl and jets. You can also use the spray form of seafoam and apply it directly into the carburetor throat while the engine is running. String trimmer maintenance. Maintaining your string trimmer is essential to keep it running properly and efficiently. A misfiring or backfiring engine can be caused by a buildup of carbon, which causes sticky valves. Carbon buildup can also lead to inefficient engine function. If adding seafoam or other fuel additive fails to remove this carbon, you can clean it out manually. Scrape away the carbon with a wire brush or putty knife until clean. Replace the oil regularly for a clean running system. These steps will help extend the life of your Weedeater or any other string trimmer.